Are you looking for the best dash cams for cars and truckers? Dash cams have evolved from niche car gadgets into essential safety and evidence tools for everyday drivers, fleet operators, rideshare services, and long-haul truckers. Modern models offer 4K front recording, high-quality night vision, GPS tagging, parking surveillance, and robust op ecosystems that make event review and insurance claims markedly easier.
Product number 1. Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam Front Overview. The Rove R2 4K Dual is a premium dual-channel dashcam configured for 4K front and 1080p recording, featuring Sony Starvis 2 sensor front, f1.5 aperture, GPS with live speed and compass, and a 3-inch IPS display. It ships with a free 128GB microSD card and offers ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi with speeds up to 20 megabytes per second via the Rove app, OTA firmware updates, and a built-in supercapacitor for better heat resistance and longer life. A highlight is 3 parking mode options, 1 FPS time-lapse, motion, and collision detection, with a note that a hardwire kit is required for 24/7 monitoring. The suite also includes a range of accessories that support a tidy, robust install. Performance and usability. In real-world use, the R2 4K Dual delivers crisp 4K front footage, with the rear 1080p recording providing essential backup evidence. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor and fast lens apertures enable strong performance in low light, particularly with HDR. GPS tagging adds valuable speed and route data embedded in video, and the free 128GB card helps users get started immediately. The system's long rear cable, multiple mounting options, and a mature app ecosystem enable convenient, fast sharing and firmware updates. The primary caveat remains the need for an external hardwire kit to unlock continuous parking mode, which can add cost and complexity for some buyers.
Product number 2. 4K plus 4K Dashcam Front Overview. The Turansol D016 offers 4K front and 4K rear recording with a 170-degree front lens and a 512GB maximum expandable storage, plus built-in GPS and dual-band Wi-Fi, 5.8 GHz, 2.4 GHz. It ships with a free 128GB microSD card and includes a long rear camera extension, aiming to deliver robust evidence capture for both day and night driving. The model emphasizes op control, OTA firmware updates, and a G sensor for automatic incident detection, positioning it as a feature-rich option in the mid to upper tier, with strong parking monitoring potential using a separate hardware kit. Performance and usability. The 4K front-rear dual recording ensures comprehensive coverage, and the large aperture pairs, f1.5 front, f1.8 rear, promise better low-light performance. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi offers faster transfers, which reduces waiting times when reviewing clips on a smartphone. The GPS tagging allows precise route and speed data embedded in videos, which is extremely useful for insurance or legal scenarios. Parking monitoring in 24-hour mode is supported, though a hardware kit is required for continuous operation. The device's weight and kit components indicate a robust install suitable for cars and light trucks, with potential.
Product number 3. Red Tiger 4K Dashcam Front Rear Overview. The Red Tiger F7NP is a 4K front plus 1080p rear dashcam set with Starvis 2 sensor, 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear angles, built-in GPS, WDR/HDR, and a 24-hour parking mode supported by a hardwire kit. It features a built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi with fast downloads up to 20 megabytes per second, a 128GB memory card included, and an 18-month warranty with supercapacitor-based design for improved thermal stability and longevity. The F7NP targets drivers who want strong daytime 4K evidence with reliable night performance and GPS-based speed/location data embedded in clips. Performance and usability. The Starvis 2 sensor and f1.5 aperture delivers solid image quality in mixed lighting, with HDR/WDR balancing highlights and shadows for both day and night. The 128GB card included provides immediate usability, though 4K front recording can fill storage quickly, so users will likely need to rely on the loop recording and event lock features. The 18-month warranty and supercapacitor design are pluses for reliability in heat-prone environments. Parking mode options include time-lapse and G-sensor triggered recording, but like others, a hardwire setup is recommended.
Product number 4. 4K Dashcam Front Overview. The Galfy Q2-Silver is a 4K front dashcam with a 160-degree field of view and built-in 5G Wi-Fi,
plus a free 64GB card and a max-supported 256GB card. It's sold as a compact, discrete unit with a screen-free design to minimize driver distraction, and it emphasizes 4K front recording with strong night vision capabilities thanks to 6-layer optics and WDR. The kit includes a typical mount and wiring accessories, and it carries a 12-month warranty. The market segment targets drivers who want high-resolution front footage for precise evidence while keeping a low-profile install. Performance and usability. The 4K capture provides crisp daytime detail and improved OCR-like readability of license plates at a distance compared with 1080p systems, assuming optimal lighting. The absence of a rear camera in the core description means rear coverage relies on a secondary camera or optional add-ons. If rear coverage is required, verify compatibility. The 5G Wi-Fi allows faster off-device transfers, and the device supports memory cards up to 256GB, which is helpful for extended 4K recording. The lack of a built-in GPS output on the main display means mapping speed/location may require external tools. The plug-and-play approach with the 64GB card included is compelling for immediate use, but the overall ecosystem and software polish are less documented than higher-priced rivals.
Product number 5. Dashcam Front Overview. The SUVcon J06 is positioned as an affordable 3-channel dashcam package that includes a front 170-degree wide angle, a cabin camera, and a rear camera with a 150-degree field of view, plus a 32GB card in the box. It emphasizes G-sensor protection, loop recording, HDR, and night vision capabilities via infrared LEDs for cabin footage, making it a compelling choice for drivers who want interior monitoring and basic road driving evidence without breaking the bank. The kit includes a typical dashcam bundle with a 32GB card, multiple cables, and basic mounting hardware, catering to quick installs in cars rather than trucks with extended parking monitoring. Prospective buyers should appreciate the triple-channel coverage and the presence of a cabin cam in a sub-$50 price bracket, which is unusual in this tier. Performance and usability. In practice, the J06 delivers solid daytime footage with adequate color reproduction for the front and rear cams, while cabin footage relies on the infrared LEDs for lower-lit interiors. The 1080p rear video resolution and 170-degree front angle provide broad street coverage, but the lack of 4K means the front footage won't reveal as much detail at distance as higher-end models. The built-in G-sensor and parking monitor offer basic protection. However, the system depends on a standard 32GB card and doesn't explicitly advertise parking mode fine-grained controls or hardware integration for continuous 24/7 monitoring. The absence of an advanced app ecosystem or GPS data on the main display could limit evidentiary usefulness for dispute